Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I welcome you in the 12th lecture of lecture series Symbolic Math Toolbox in MATLAB. Today we are going to solve the Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform in MATLAB using the Symbolic Math Toolbox. The formula of Laplace transform is given x of s is equal to 0 to infinity x of t e raised to power minus st dt. So that is the formula. Now we try to solve in the MATLAB. Here is the MATLAB screen. They're all They're all They're all CLC. Now we try to solve some example and get an idea how to use the Laplace transform command in MATLAB. The Laplace transform command is already built in the MATLAB, so we just need to understand how to use how can we simply use that math. So let's see. So first of all, we just define the variables, symbolic variables. Let's suppose s, t, and a and x. Let's suppose these are the symbolic variable. The syntax is very same for Laplace transform. We just need to define the function. If we simple define, let's suppose I simply use the command Laplace Laplace, and now I simply want to calculate the Laplace transform of 1 to s by m. Where we give the 1 and press the enter key, you will find the result 1 over s. Now let's try another function. Let's suppose Laplace, and let's suppose I simply assign to the f LAS. Let's suppose I simply define the variable d. Now I want to calculate the Laplace transform of t LAC, Laplace of f function. That if I press the enter key, you will find the result. The Laplace transform of t, that is 1 over s. Same like this, you can also calculate the Laplace transform sine of t. Let's put that is sine of t, and f1 g1, and calculate the 1 over s, and that is basically the Laplace transform of sine of t. So now we define function f2, that is equal to exp exponential minus t, and now calculate the full Laplace transform f2 g2, and you will find the result of e raised to minus. And if I calculate the a into t, and that is as f3, so Laplace transform of f3 and g3, and you will find the Laplace transform e raised to power minus f. So that is basically the Laplace transform. How can we use? We just need to define the function and put in the command of Laplace transform. So that is basically from the Laplace transform. If you want to calculate the inverse Laplace transform, again the formula was the command and syntax is very simple. You just need to calculate the let's suppose I want to calculate the inverse Laplace transform 1 over s. So next I need I Laplace transform. I Laplace is basically used for the inverse Laplace transform command. Calculate the inverse for Laplace transform. LACE. And here we have 1 over s. If I write the 1 over s, you will find the result. Inverse Laplace transform is basically 1. That is basically the. So if I and other for transform way are already saved in my variable of f1, g1, g2, g and g1, g2. So I just simply write the Laplace transform of 1 over. The Laplace transform of t is basically 1 over s square. So that is already stored in the variable g. So I need to just put in the variable that is G, and if I press enter keys, yes, I Laplace. That is, you will find the result of T. So again, if I write G1 in sine T, G2 that you will find one exp, G3 that you will find the e raised to power minus at. So, and I Laplace if you want to. Let's see Laplace and calculate the Fourier transform 2 over 1 minus s into 1 over s and multiply by 1 over 5 over 1 minus 2 1 minus s, and if I press the enter key you will find the result. You find the inverse for Laplace of 2si. That is basically. So if you want to calculate the inverse Laplace transform, and you want to calculate the result in the different variable. Let's suppose instead of t you want to calculate in the variable independent variable x. So just need to write the x instead of t. So you will find the result in term of x. So we have the result exp 2x minus ex. Otherwise, if I do not write x, so give me result in term of time variable. So that is basically for the today Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Hope you like my lecture, and you share, like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.